So today we're doing some very general sessions, some general broad overviews. Tomorrow is when you're going to be able to do some very specific deep dives into some specific solutions. The overall theme for those is that these solutions are designed for the way you work. You need to be able to have a platform that helps you answer basic questions. How much is my maintenance actually costing me? How are my facilities being used after hours, and what's the impact? Where can I find those opportunities to quit wasting money on energy problems? And in short of having an actual crystal ball, how do I prevent unfunded capital requests in the future? And our approach is trying to do an interconnected, simple, easy to use platform that's also powerful enough and sophisticated enough that it can mirror your actual operations. So on that front, we've been hearing from you that you have a need to predict the future, basically. Our current reporting allows you to drill down on a very microscopic level about work that's already been done. We're working on ways for you to not only be able to capture what work has been done, but also take a look into the future. What are you doing that's actually working, and how is that impacting your future months and your future workloads? What happens if we come to a reduction in budget and you have to trim staff? What's going to be the actual implications into your operations? And this gives you a way to model and forecast that. And speaking of modeling and forecasting, for those of you that are utilizing our energy platform, again, that platform is great, but if I only get my bills once a month, I'm having to look back a month behind to see what kind of energy projects I'm doing. So with that in mind, we've actually started working with smart meters to be able to give you insights into your data as it happens. You can even set alarms up so that during the course of your operations, if you see an energy spike that's above a threshold that you've already set, you've got a way to ferret out and figure out what's happening in real time and not waiting for the bill to show up. One other thing that we'll be addressing in one of the energy sessions tomorrow, we've partnered with Desire, which is with the North Carolina Clean Energy. It gives you a way within the energy management platform to be able to look for incentive programs that are location-based where you are. So you don't even have to leave Energy Manager to be able to figure out some ways to underwrite some of the things that you're working on. I mentioned facility scheduling. Obviously, no facility scheduling is going on right now, but when we return, you've been asking for better ways to manage that process. So we've been able to come up with specific task management solutions that handle all of the multiple moving parts to creating an event, both post-event, during the event, and after the event. Obviously, we're going to have to incorporate some pretty stringent cleaning with that, but it's something that you've asked for that we've been able to come up with.